Good morning, children. This is Jyoti R. I am here to teach you English on behalf of Jyoti Academy, class 2nd and chapter 2, articles. Children, yesterday we started the chapter 2, article, and we learnt about the rules of articles and solve the exercise first. And today we will read and solve the remaining exercise. Okay, let's start. We use the before the naming words when it is clear which particular one we mean. Children, we use the article for a particular or definite thing. Okay? For example, a dress can mean any dress, but the dress means that particular one only. Children, we have so many dresses. Okay? When we talk about a dress, it means any dress. But when we talk about a particular dress, we will use the dress. Okay, we will say the dress. Okay, so the indicate a particular and definite thing. Okay, let's start the exercise. Use a, an or the to complete the sentences which with each picture. Note the differences in meaning between each pair of sentences. In this picture you are seeing bottle, bus, soldier, friends, etc. Okay, and we will solve the exercise with the help of this picture. Okay, I want blank water bottle. Children, I want blank water bottle. W is a consonant, so we will use there a. I want a water bottle. Can I have blank blue water bottle? Children, blue indicate a particular or definite water bottle, so we will use there the water bottle. Okay, next is this is blank school bus. Children, school in this meaning. S is a consonant, so we will use there a. This is a school bus. Please get into blank bus. Children, please get in, it indicates a particular or definite bus. Children, when you go to the school and you enter your particular school bus, not every bus. Okay, so please get into, what we will fill there, the. We use the before the bus. Okay, please get into the bus. Next is the soldier lost blank arm in the war. Children, ARM, A is a vowel, so we will use there an. A soldier lost an arm in the war. It was blank left arm. Children's, left shows a particular arm. We have two arms, left arm and right arm. So we will fill there the. It was the left arm. Left shows a particular or definite arm. Okay, so we will fill there the. Next is we were invited to blank party yesterday. P is a consonant, so we will fill there a. We were invited to a party yesterday. What? We could not attend blank party. Children, whenever we go to the party, we attend a particular or definite party. Okay, not every party. So we will fill there the. But we could not attend the party. Okay. Next is blank tortoise and blank hare were good friends. Children, in this picture you are seeing a hare also called rabbit and tortoise. Children, T is a consonant, so we will fill there a. A tortoise and a hare were good friends. Okay. Tortoise moved slowly, but hare ran fast. Children, what we will fill there? Children's toys and hair moved slowly. Children, slowly, but hair run fast. Fast. Which hair is fast and which tortoise is slowly? Slowly and fast, these words indicate a particular tortoise and hare. So we will fill there the. The tortoise moved slowly but the hare ran fast. Okay, childrens, this is the exercise related to the article a, an or the. This is the important fact. You must remember that a and an are used before singular naming word. The is used before singular and plural naming word. Children, a and are articles are used before the singular naming words and the is used before singular as well as plural naming word. Okay. Next exercise we will solve tomorrow. Okay. Revise it whatever I taught you today and do these exercise at your copy. Okay. Thank you.